All right, this is the service elevator at the Faculty of Nursing building at the University of Calgary. There's a few cameras in here. Go down to Main. Albertans love the beeps.
Mezzanine.
4. Oh. Wow. Albertans really love the fast-paced door operator in terms of with elevators, the elevator operations.
Fourth floor.
Albertans love these fast elevator door operators, especially in this part of Canada. All right, let's get a cab. Just your basic service elevator. Oh, there's our favorite security camera. Hi.
Mezzanine.
We'll go back up to 2 where I got on.
Second floor.
And this it is 4,500 pounds capacity. It's a pretty big elevator. This was originally Otis, but this was obviously modernized. And there it goes. And that's it.